Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to prepare another delicious meal. In today's meal I'll be using pork jaw. That is what I'll be using for this recipe. So these are my ingredients. I have here 1 bottle of beer, black pepper, olive oil, salt. I have 4 pieces of pork jaw. I have chopped onion, chopped garlic, chopped parsley, some extra 3 garlic cloves, 1 seasoning cube. I'm using 2 carrots, 1 bell red pepper. I have my potatoes already peeled and cleaned up and cut, and then I have the baking bowl because we'll be baking this recipe at the end. So first of all, I'm going to start by seasoning my pork jaw. Just add a bit of water, and now I'm going to go ahead and add the chopped ingredient, onion, garlic, and the parsley. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of salt, and then 1 seasoning cube, and the black pepper, just about a tablespoon, half tablespoon of black pepper. And now I'm going to go ahead and add half glass of a beer. You can use 1 bottle if you like, but I prefer to use half of the bottle, which is half of the glass. So this has been cooking for 5 minutes, and I'm going to add my bell pepper, and then I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So this has been cooking for 5 minutes now, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove the bell pepper, and I'm going to blend it and then add it to the meat. Yeah, the last pepper doesn't want to come out. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend it, and this is the outcome of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the meat. The reason why I add the bell pepper is to give it a very nice texture and nice color to the meat or to the whole food. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cover this and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So here we are, 10 minutes later. This has been cooking, and I think it's soft enough. It's tender, not too soft and not too strong, because I'll be baking this in the oven. So now just go ahead and add my carrot, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the potatoes, and cover it, and then allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So now the food is ready, and I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from the fire, and I'm going to go ahead and transfer everything to the baking bowl, and I'm going to go bake this for 15 minutes in the oven. So here I add everything, the juice, everything into it, and then I'm going to go ahead and then I'm going to add the garlic cloves, and then I'm going to add chopped parsley, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So sorry guys, I forget to tell you about the green bell pepper. I add green bell pepper to this end just to give it a nice taste, a nice aroma to the food. And then add about a teaspoon of black pepper. So as you can see, the food is looking yummy nicely. So I'm just going to bake this in the oven or cook this in the oven for another 15 minutes and it will be ready to serve. So as you can see, 15 minutes later, I just check and everything seems to be well cooked. So look at this guys, this food is super tasty, yummy and very easy to prepare. It does not take much time at all. So I'm going to go ahead and serve this. And then add the sauce to it. When preparing this food, no need to make it dry because you need a sauce. The sauce gives it much taste to the food. So as you can see, our food is ready. And I'm going to go ahead to serve this with additional salad. With this salad, it's just lettuce, tomatoes, and onion, and then I just garnish it with olive oil, salt, and vinegar, and that's it. So here we are guys. I hope you guys like my video. If you like, subscribe to my channel, share, comment down below, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye. Have a lovely